Do you want to earn money by work from home job at spare time? Then you are watching the right video. Go on.
At dVidya, learning transforms into an adventure. Imagine diving into a treasure trove of free resources that make studying not just informative, but genuinely exciting. What truly sets us apart is the hands-on project work, guided by experienced teachers who bring theory to life. Here, you are not just absorbing knowledge, you are applying it in real-world scenarios. And the best part? You can earn money while you learn. Collaborating with peers and mentors, you gain invaluable experience and develop the skills that employers crave. It's a unique blend of education and practical work that equips you for a bright future. Learning has never been this engaging or rewarding. Discover how you can learn for free, work from home, and earn money with dVidya. See description of the video for more details.
dVidya is constellation of creators, teachers, and students for spreading education. Learn through practical work. Work from home jobs on training completion. Students study from free resources. Do practical assignments and get paid. Do practical projects working from home. Creators create study materials in text and digital form and earn money working from home. Teachers provide online and on-site support and coaching.